German student visa interview questions, answers, and tips. Welcome to Tochi's channel. If it is your first time and you like what I do here, please subscribe. Put on your notification bell to all notifications. In that way, you'll be able to know when I upload a new video. Yes, in this platform, I talk about life in Germany. I give information to those who want to know more about this country, either to come here to work, to relocate, or to do business. I talk about motherhood also. And in this video today, somebody asked me a question pertaining student visas interview. The person said, what type of question am I going to be asked, or do you have any experience? And this is what I am here to talk about. If you think that this video is for you, please sit down, watch it from the beginning to the end so that you will pick a point. Now, what is an interview section for a German student visa? Some international students wishing to pursue their studies in any German education institution are double challenged. First, they will have to experience the pressure of taking a seat at their preferred German university. Secondly, but no less worrying, is the effort of getting together all the needed documents for the German student visa application process, including preparation for the visa interview section. In the visa interview section, generally, personal and specific questions are to be answered, together with questions about the future plans of the applicant after they have completed study in Germany. Now, student visa interview question. Now, I'm going to be telling you the categories. Despite that, no one can certainly conclude about the exact questions to be asked to the next German student visa application. There are common questions that are typically asked. Now, you cannot tell that this is the type of question that they will ask you, but these are the commonly asked questions, what you should bear in mind. It is always good for you to have experience about what you are going to, be asked, because I experienced it also. So when you have a little bit knowledge of what you are going to be expecting, so you will be able, just like somebody who is studying German language in Goethe Institute in Nigeria. Of course, they will teach you the general things, but when you get to the exam hall, you will be shocked the type of question they will give you, because there you are going to write letter, you are going to read comprehension, but in the class they may not teach you like that. But if it's in German here, they will teach you. Now, these are point out the following matters, the type of question that they will be asking you. Decision on the following studies in Germany, knowledge about Germany. Now, you apply to come to Germany to study. They will ask you, how far do you know Germany? Now, another one is current academic and skill levels. What do you want to study in Germany? What are your skills? What have you learned? Current and future financial status. Now, you have to, maybe I have made the video before. If you haven't watched how to open a block account, these are for students, those who want to come to Germany to study. Now, during the interview, because all these things are necessary, they are going to ask you how you are going to sponsor yourself. Do you have money to pay for your hostel? Do you have money to feed yourself? Do you have money that can sustain you throughout the time or the period of your studies in Germany? Common information about the study field. Now, they will ask you, what do you want to study? You already is there. You mention it. Then they will ask you information about that thing, that subject, that profession that you have chosen to study, to know if you know more about it. Another one is accommodation in Germany. You must pay for your accommodation. You must make sure that you have accommodation. Not when you come, you will be stranded. They will be asking you, how are you going to survive in Germany? If you finally get this visa or this university, how would you sustain? Where will you live? Then you have to talk more about the accommodation. Relationship with people living in Germany/Europe. This type of people always have very big advantage, because if you have somebody who is living in Germany who can stand as a surety for you, then you don't have problem. In this regard, you might not be having problem in opening block accounts or your financial studies, because these people will help you. They will sign for you that they are going to take responsibility of for you. So this type of people, they are always lucky, I can say. Now, so another one is holiday and semester break. They will ask you like, when during the holidays, what will you be doing? Where will you go? How will you sustain? So, but in this regard, once they ask you question about this, you would like to tell them that during your holiday, that you would like to, use it to work so that you can assist yourself. If you would like to travel to your home country, then you say it to them. Another one that they may ask you is plans of their future, and this is where they get a lot of people. Now, they may ask you, after your studies here, what would you do? Would you like to stay in Germany, or you would like to go back to your country home? Now, I will advise you in this regard. When they ask you this question, tell them that after your study, you would like to go back to your country, to exercise what you have learned so far, so that it will not be like you want to use this education to stabilize yourself in Germany. So they would be the one to ask you, what of if you can stay here and work, since you have your education here? Then you will give them that opportunity. But let it not be that you are the one that is giving them the idea that you don't want to go back to your country after study. Now, why do you want to study in Germany? They will ask you you will tell them, I am giving you the answer now. Deciding Germany for study abroad does not surprise anyone, knowing that it stands amongst the three world's top attracting countries for international study. Germany is famous for having highly quality and best academic and practice-oriented program, and all of this in low tuition or non-tuition fee at all. Other reason to choose Germany is the enjoyable level of freedom, security, as well as rich culture, history, and diversity characterizing it. Now, when they ask you why you choose Germany, you will tell them that Germany is among the top country that is good in education, that their education system is very high, and in most of the universities here, you do not pay. The tuition fee is free. You might get additional information on why Germany. They may ask you, why did you choose Germany? Then, or why did you choose the city? Depending on area you choose, you may like to answer it by saying, you did not choose the city, but I have chosen the university which is located in this city, and show the tree to explore the city as well. If being asked more some interesting spot of the city that you would like to cite, and some attention-grabbing features you would like to experience when you would go there. Now, tip to get know more about the benefit. So this is very, very important. It is very, very important to know more about the city that you have chosen, so that when you are mentioning or when you are narrating on it, you will not be biting your tongue. So I would like to stop here. If you need more of this, let me know in the comment section so that I can complete the rest. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Until I meet you again. Bye.